Welcome back guys, how are you? And I hope you are doing well. Today in this video I am going to fix the very irritating error that you face in the startup of your PC or laptop. The problem of choose an operating system. Normally you will face this menu only if you have two operating systems at the same PC. But if you upgrade from one window to another window and now you not want the previous window in your PC or your other window has been corrupted and you want get rid of this window to super fast your PC or laptop at the boot time, then I will help you through this video to solve your problem. But before we start this video, make sure to subscribe my channel and be part of our MK army. Now without any further ado, let's fix this problem. First of all, open your PC, then click on start button and search for run. Simply open the run app. Now type here msconfig. Wait a little bit here for the window to appear. Now here go to boot tab and here you can see the two operating system in your PC. One is a default operating system and the other one is the secondary. So I am going to delete the second one because I delete this window but still some file is present and that's why I am facing this problem at the startup. Once you delete, now click on apply, then OK. Now let's restart our PC or laptop. And here you can see the problem is fixed and we don't face such window at the startup. I hope you guys will like this video. Make sure to subscribe and comment if you have any other problem. By the way, you can also follow me on Instagram where you can mention your problem so that I will make a video on that topic as well. See you soon. Till then, goodbye.